Hi, you guys. Okay, so we are going to be working on our first page of our packet. So please get your packet out. You need your packet and you need your writing utensil, whatever that is. If it's a pencil, a pencil. If it's a pen, a pen. If it's a crayon, a crayon. Get whatever your writing utensil is. Get your packet out. Miss Morgan will wait, okay? Okay, here we go. So, you should have your packet. We're looking at the first page. Yesterday, we talked about even or equal pieces, equal and unequal. Remember, equal means if you cut it, are all the pieces exactly the same? Unequal means if you cut it, the pieces are not exactly the same. So here we go. Today we're going to be looking at symmetry. And symmetry teaches matching parts and not matching parts. So we're going to look at this right now. Here we go. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay, first of all, please make sure your name is on it. Touch where your name is. Put your name on it, please. Okay, here we go. So, if we have matching parts, that means when we cut it in half, the parts are the same. They are equal. If we have non-matching parts, that means when we cut it in half, the parts are not the same. They are unequal. So let's try this. If Miss Morga cut a heart right in half, here we go, I'm going to do it. There we go. And then this one. Okay, so if Miss Morga cut a heart in half right down the middle, are the two pieces matching? Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. We know that they are equal because if you stack one right on top of each other, they go edge to edge, okay? If we cut it down the middle a different way, and the parts are not matching, they are not matching parts, that means that they do not have symmetry. So symmetry means if you cut it in half, it has matching parts. If it does not have symmetry, if there is no symmetry, that means if we cut it in half, it does not have matching parts. Okay, here we go. So, it says, circle the figure that shows matching parts. So we're going to look. If Miss Morga cut this piece of paper right down the middle, could we fold it edge to edge? Would it have matching parts? Yes, it would have matching parts. This part and this part are equal parts. They are matching parts. So Miss Morga is going to circle it. Do it with me, please. Does this one have matching parts? If I were to cut it right here, would it have matching parts? No, this part is little and this part is big. I'm going to put an X. Do it with me. If Miss Morga cut right here, see if we can focus this a little bit. Do these two pieces have matching parts? No, this part is small, this part is big. And put an X through it. We are looking for the one that shows matching parts. So if Miss Morga cut right through here, would this side and this side be the same? No, they would not be the same. They would be unequal parts there. Oh, I'm sorry. Ooh, my goodness, Miss Morga was about to circle it. But they are not matching parts. They do not have symmetry. Now this one might be hard, but if we turn it, we see that it goes right through the middle. It goes right through the middle. So are these two pieces matching parts? Yes, they are equal parts. We will circle it. What about this one? Does this one have matching parts if Miss Morgan were to cut this shape right here? Are these two parts the same? No, so we're going to put an X through it. Do it with me, please. Okay, here we go. We're moving on. We're going to the clover row. If we have this triangle and there is a slice right here, are these two parts matching? Are they equal parts? No, so we are going to put an X through the blue triangle. If Miss Morgan cut off right here, are these two pieces matching parts? No, they are not, so we are going to put an X through. But, and we might have to go like this so that we can really see, if I cut this last triangle right here, is this triangle and this triangle, are they matching parts? Yes, they are equal parts, so Miss Morga is going to circle it. All right, now let's look down at the butterfly row. If Miss Morga cuts this part of the circle right here, are these two parts equal? No way, Jose. No, this part is smaller than this part. What if Miss Morga cuts right here? And again, we might have to go like this. Are these two half circles equal? Yes, they are. They are matching parts. We could fold them edge to edge. If we cut through the circle just like this, are these two pieces matching parts? No way. We will put an X. Once you're ready, go to the back side of the page. So you just turn the page. Watch how Miss Margaret does this. I'm going to turn it and fold it over so that I can see the back side of the page. I'll wait for you to get here. Okay, here we go. We are going to circle the ones that show symmetry. So, if we're looking at this red shape and I cut it right here, are both of these sides matching? Yes, they are equal sides. If I folded them, they would go edge to edge. It's cut right down the middle. What if I cut this one right down the middle here? Would that make matching parts? If I folded it, would it go edge to edge? Yes, it would go edge to edge. So here we go. We're going to circle it. All right, our last shape, the blue shape. If Miss Morgan cut a line right here, is this shape the same as this shape? Are these even the same shapes? No way, Jose. So we had to put an X through it because it does not show symmetry. They are not matching parts. All right, here we go. Looking at the heart row. If Miss Morgan cuts a line right here, is this side and this side matching parts? No way, Jose. No, this one makes a T and that one's just a line, so we need to put an X. There's no symmetry. They would not fold edge to edge. They are not matching parts. They are unequal parts. What about if Miss Morgan was to cut this oval right there? Do these two pieces show matching parts? Yes, they do show matching parts. Let's circle it. What if Miss Morgan cut this orange shape? Would it show matching parts? Yes, it would. This part and this part are equal parts. They would fold edge to edge. They are matching. Let's circle it. All right, let's look down at our animals here. If I were to cut this elephant right there, is the front the same as the back? No way, Jose. What if Miss Morgan were to cut this bear right here? Would they show matching parts? Yes, they would. So we will circle. This half would be the same as this half. Sorry. What if Miss Morgan cut this turtle this way? Would they show matching halves? Would they be equal? Yes, they would both be equal, so we're going to circle it. All right, here we go. So, it says, it says to cut them out. I don't want you to cut it out because I want to see what's on the front of your page. Instead, what I want you to draw is I want you to draw a line of symmetry. So, a line that makes them equal parts. Miss Morgan will draw one. I want you to draw one more. And I'll do the same thing in the circle. I'll draw one line that makes equal parts. I want you to draw one more. How can you draw one more line so that all the parts are equal? All right, now Miss Morgan's going to flip this over. You know what to do. You need to rainbow write 6 colors. You need to circle. You need to trace atop the cross and down from heaven. That is how you make a 7, a circle and a stick, okay? You need to trace all of these numbers. You need to do the cut and paste. I'm going to give you 1 minute. I'm going to let this stay on the camera for 1 minute so that you can write this down, okay? So please get out your pen, your pencil, whatever you were just working with, and write the word first, okay? I'm going to give you 1 minute. Okay. All right, kiddos. So, next, after you finish this page, go ahead and click on the next video, and we'll do some reader's workshop, okay? All right, kiddos. See you soon.